Barbecue fam. Today we're doing up some frozen corn dogs on a pellet smoker, and we're gonna stuff it with cheese, and then we're gonna make a really good badass dipping sauce. Oh hell yeah. So for this recipe, get yourself some frozen corn dogs, pull them out of the box and let them defrost for at least a half hour so we can cut slits into these, and then we're gonna cut some mozzarella string cheese in quarters and stuff it down inside, and then we're gonna smoke it on the pellet smoker at 325 for about 20 minutes. These are those State Fair corn dog frozen gimmicks in a box. If you got kids, this should be fun. And then keep your stick flat when you cut down in so you don't go all the way through. You'll hit that stick and you know you're halfway through. So let's cut a wedge out. Quarter of these guys. So you cut it in half, cut them in half again. We're gonna stuff these down inside. That's it. Fire up your pellet grill. We're gonna get this guy up to 325. Put these on. 20 minutes, check them at 15. Now it's time to make the dipping sauce. Corn dogs are on the pellet grill, so let's get this going. We're gonna start it 1 part mayo, 1 part ketchup, and some of this. Oh, Uncle Steve made up a special mix for Hell Yeah Kimball's barbecue. A little heavier on the ketchup, no problem. And this guy here, the Hell Yeah Kimball's barbecue special mix from Uncle Steve's, is South Texas Red and Smoke Bomb. Those go together great. Smoke Bomb and competition cow shake, that's another great one. That's my go-to for like everything, but you know, just with kids, Texas Red, got a little kick to it. Hell Yeah Kimball's barbecue special mix. If you want this, I'm sure if you let Uncle Steve know, he'll hook you up. 2 tablespoons for now, mix it, check it out. A little more mayo. I went a little too heavy on the ketchup. Like I said, keep it 1 to 1. I went a little heavy. A little more special mix. A little more kick to it. Why not? That would go great on any burger. For sure, go do that. 1 part mayo, 1 part ketchup, and 3 tablespoons of the Uncle Steve's Kimball's barbecue special mix, which is just a half South Texas Red and a half of Smoke Bomb. Easy to do, simple. Cut a wedge into some frozen corn dogs. You thaw them out a little bit, makes the cook go a little bit quicker. 20-25 minutes, 325 on a pellet smoker or any grill of your choice. You just want it indirect cooking. And the dipping sauce was pretty easy. 1 part mayo, 1 part ketchup. However much of a batch you want, it's 1 part of each. And then some of that Hell Yeah Kimball's barbecue special mix from Uncle Steve's Shake, which is just a simple blend of Smoke Bomb and South Texas Red, half and half, same thing, 1 part, 1 part. Super easy. If you want to squeeze a lime in there, that'd be rocking. And garnish it however you want. Some red onions. I did green onion and some jalapeno slices And you could stuff the jalapenos down in there. That rocked. And this came out amazing. I mean, they're crunchy. They're not burnt. They're rocking. Frozen corn dogs. State Fair frozen corn dogs. Pull them out. 20 minutes or so, 30 minutes. I mean, it was 100 degrees early. They were easy to cut into, and just put that quarter of string cheese mozzarella in there. Put them on your pellet grill. Jeez, this was rocking. You must do this one. Easy to do, and if you got kids, they're gonna love it. Oh hell yeah. What it is what hell yeah. What hell yeah is Kimball. Jesus. What hell yeah. The hell yeah Kimball special mix. Jesus Christmas. Oh, thirsty. Gotta stay hydrated on these hot summer days. Let me tell you what. I was over 100 degrees today. I'm not lying. Here, check this out. It's cooled down a little bit since. Alright. Bam. You son of a bitch. I did it again.